Once you've rated your AI opportunities based on potential impact, complexity, and need for action, the next step is determining which of these should take priority. This is where visualization tools like radars and matrix diagrams come into play, offering an intuitive way to make sense of your data. A radar provides a view of how different AI opportunities stack up against one another. Imagine all your AI initiatives spread across the radar, with those closer to the center signaling urgent, high-priority opportunities. These are the initiatives that need immediate attention to keep your organization ahead in the AI race. Those further from the center may still be valuable but are less pressing, allowing your team to allocate resources more efficiently. This gives you a quick overview that's easy to understand and perfect for aligning your team on which projects demand focus now and which can be addressed later. A matrix, on the other hand, enables a more detailed analysis. By plotting your AI opportunities along two dimensions, such as impact and complexity, you get a clearer picture of which projects provide the biggest payoff with minimal effort. For example, a project that scores high on impact but low on complexity is a quick win, perfect for short-term execution. Meanwhile, projects that are both high impact and high complexity may represent more ambitious, longer-term initiatives, requiring more resources and strategic planning. Using these tools helps you visually organize the opportunities and highlights where your focus should be. It also encourages collaboration, as these visuals are easy to share and discuss with stakeholders. Plus, seeing everything laid out clearly helps your team make decisions and prioritize AI opportunities that will truly move the needle for your business.